Hey guys, what's up? And in today's video, this is a different video, but in today's video I'll be solving the infamous Rubik's Cube. Now, I haven't scrambled it yet, it's just like in its normal state, you know that. I've actually recently learned how to solve Rubik's Cube, which is why I'm doing this. And yeah, so I'm just gonna scramble it really quick. Just like I'm not doing a certain scramble. I'm just like randomly doing stuff because, yeah. Also, this is the Rubik's brand because I'm not planning to be like a super pro Rubik's cuber because I can solve the Rubik's Cube in like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, mainly 3 minutes. The record is 2 minutes 20 seconds, which pretty fast, but not fast enough. I think that might be enough scrambling. I'm just gonna scramble a little more, and I have my eyes closed, but you're gonna have to trust me. I'm not gonna show my face, but it's a trust me. I got my eyes closed. All right, I think we're ready to solve it. So let's do this. All right, so first thing, I'll do it right there. Then, oh, wait a minute. Go. Also, by the way, guys, yes, hand reveal once again. Ooh, interesting. Okay, these are my hands. All right, but anyways, so you're starting out with the white cross on top. Because it's like what I normally do. I'll link the video that I learned from in the description because it's a good video. I'm pretty sure like almost anybody could solve it. So with that video I use. I'll link it in the description in case you want to do it yourself if you don't know how to solve one already. But yeah. Okay, so let's see. That. Okay. Now I gotta. There. Go. Alright. Go there. Oh, no. What did I do? I did something? Okay. I got back to normal, which is good. Let's see. That is not where it's supposed to be. Okay, hold up. That, alright. Goes up there. Alright, you probably don't even know what I'm talking about right now. I'm just like, you know. I don't know. But, yeah, okay. Let's see. So we can put this right there. Do that. Okay, now we have the yellow cross on top, which is good. Let's see. What's the next step? Oh yeah, okay, I remember now. Is there any? Okay. Jeez. And there we go. The part's done. Okay. Good. Probably just, sorry I haven't been talking much. I mean, I have been, just like, gonna concentrate on this, you know? And we are very close being done, and there we go. You're not done with the Rubik's Cube, as you can see right here. I have the stand for it. There you go. Look at that. Look at this beauty. You can see it. It's like sort of. There you go. There it is. Let's have it like that. Yeah, it does look good. All right. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, goodbye.